What's up, guys? This is Steven here. We're here out in rural Louisiana working on a creek that's on the back of our property that was disturbed and damaged by Hurricane Laura. Hurricane Laura sent many of these large trees, mostly beech trees, into the swimming hole. The creek is being fed by a natural artesian well. This particular creek here has been damaged due to Hurricane Laura. There's lots of logs and trees that have fell into the swim hole that we have swum in since I was a child. So we're going to spend today on cleaning up and getting rid of the logs and mowing and reclaiming this area back to the way it used to be.
Winds now down to 105 miles per hour, and you'll notice the eye starting to contract. So the storm is slowly starting to fill, but it still has a pretty decent semi-symmetrical shape, and so it's going to likely remain a strong storm as it works its way northward into northwestern Louisiana.
Oh, you don't have to fight like that.
This area is pet approved. Tucker and Carly are enjoying the cool water on this hot day. Finally, some progress is being made. We're removing the vegetation slowly but surely. The kids are looking to see what logs need to be removed from the swim hole so we can open the place up more. Quite a bit of damage from Hurricane Laura. We're going to get an excavator in this area to have some of the logs removed and to restore this swimming area back to the way it used to be before Laura. We made a lot of progress. We removed several trees that were blocking the way to the creek, and we got more access now in areas that we didn't have access to before. One of them being the bank that we used to jump off of, which had a tire swing, which is also very jammed up with logs. Well, that's all for today. We got a lot accomplished. We was able to open up a lot of areas that we didn't have access to before. There are smallmouth bass and brim that we are able to get to now. Thank you for watching.